This creamy garlic sauce is better than restaurant sauce, and you can make it in just 5 minutes. We start with homemade mayonnaise. In a tall container, add 200 milliliters of sunflower oil and 2 eggs. Blend until you get a thick and creamy mayonnaise. Add 300 grams of yogurt to the prepared mayonnaise. Mix well. Add 3 to 4 cloves of pressed garlic, half a bunch of finely chopped dill, salt to taste, and the juice of half a lemon. Mix everything until you get a smooth and aromatic mixture. And our homemade garlic sauce is ready. It's perfect for baked potatoes, grilled meat, doner kebabs, burgers, sandwiches, fried zucchini, or simply with a fresh salad. Save the recipe and subscribe for more easy and delicious ideas. Thank you!